Google Scholar is a great resource for folks conducting scholarly and academic research. Many people like to use it because it's easy and straightforward, it has the benefit of Google's finely tuned search algorithm, and it takes advantage of the fact that Google has indexed a decent portion of the internet. This means you'll get a lot of search returns from many different sources. Google Scholar has several helpful features that allow you to maximize your research. Those are the Cited by feature, the Related Articles feature, the Library Links option, and the newly available Scholar Labs. Starting with Cited by and Related Articles. When you search in Google Scholar, you get a search result list with some important elements. You'll see the title of the article, a preview of the publication information, including the authors, and then a preview of the article itself, showing you where your search terms appeared within the text. Then you'll see some helpful features below, including Save, Cite, which allows you to cite this article in major citation styles, Cited by, and Related Articles. If we click on Cited by, we'll get a new list of articles, all of which cite the article we were looking at. So it's a way to follow the citation chain forward in time. You get more recently published papers instead of older papers, and it's possible that they might be helpful to your research as well. Not all articles will have a cited by option. If an article hasn't been cited in another article, there'll be nothing to display. The Related Articles link appears with every search result, and when we click on it, we get a new list of articles related to the one we were interested in. Both the Related Articles and Cited by links are great tools to use when you find one article you really love but are struggling to get more like it. Another helpful feature in Google Scholar is the Library Links option. Much of academic publishing sits behind paywalls, and the issue with Google Scholar is that it doesn't automatically recognize when you've paid to access something by being a member of a larger institution, aka you paying tuition to attend Chatham University. The JCAM library uses your tuition money to pay for our database subscriptions, thus giving you access. But Google Scholar doesn't work like that, and it's common that you'll hit paywalls when trying to access articles. Adding Chatham University to your Google Scholar account will let you know which articles you have access to through our library, which can save you some time and frustration. In the upper left, you'll see a hamburger menu, these three stacked lines. Open up the menu and select Settings. Then, from the left-hand menu on the Settings page, select Library Links. Here, you'll want to search for Chatham University, and when it appears, check the box, then hit Save in the lower right. Now, when you search in Google Scholar, you'll see Chatham links appearing in the Access Link column to the right, and you should be able to easily access those articles from there. Google Scholar also has Scholar Labs, a genAI search feature that allows you to prompt for the types of articles and information you're looking for. Review the example prompts on the Labs page to see how best to interact with the product, and be sure to follow proper prompting protocol to get what you need. Remember that searching with genAI features is more environmentally taxing than standard search, and it is important to evaluate the genAI product's output.